Today's project, we are doing some cleanup around here. So I've been working in our bathroom, trying to organize our shelves here. Now they look all nice and neat with some labels, because I love me some labels. Absolutely, love them. Also, I did this. See, I'm getting things all clean. Look how much space I suddenly have just because I organized. So that's what we're doing today, doing cleaning and organizing. Closet is next. You know, we moved in, I don't know, 10 months ago. And then we had a pipe bust underneath and then on our bottom floor. And so that's a disaster zone waiting to be renovated. And everything is everywhere. So we are working on that bit by bit to make it neater. Some days it'd be like that. Have a great day.